Prepare for an immersive aerial experience with the K200 MAX Drone, a cutting-edge RC quadcopter designed for advanced aerial photography and an exciting, worry-free flight. This drone boasts an impressive 8K HD camera, a unique large-screen 5 km real-time image transmission remote control, powerful brushless motors, and comprehensive 4-sided obstacle avoidance, making it an outstanding choice for enthusiasts seeking a high-performance and intelligent drone. Stunning 8K HD camera with multi-angle electric lens. The K200 MAX is equipped with an 8K HD camera, promising to capture incredibly detailed and high-resolution images and videos from the sky. What truly sets its imaging capabilities apart is the electric lens, offering versatile shooting perspectives, horizontal shooting, vertical shooting, and even overhead shooting. This flexibility allows for dynamic and creative aerial cinematography, ensuring you can capture the perfect shot from any angle. Revolutionary large-screen remote control and 5 km transmission. Experience unparalleled control and immersion with the large-screen real-time image transmission remote control. This innovative feature eliminates the need for a separate phone, providing a clear and direct FPV feed right on your controller. With an impressive 5 km image transmission distance and a robust 2.4G signal, you can explore vast areas and capture distant scenes while maintaining a strong, real-time visual connection. The general remote control distance is about 100 meters. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the K200 MAX's 4-sided, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, which includes infrared obstacle avoidance. This comprehensive protection means the drone actively detects and avoids obstacles from multiple directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and making the flight experience incredibly safe, even in complex environments. This feature ensures you can focus more on capturing content and less on potential crashes. Powerful brushless motor and stable flight system. The K200 MAX is propelled by a robust brushless motor, delivering superior power, efficiency, and a longer service life compared to traditional motors. This translates to more stable flight, better wind resistance, and a more enjoyable flying experience. Its advanced flight system incorporates optical flow positioning for precise hovering, along with air pressure fixed height for maintaining stable altitude, even indoors. The addition of cool lighting enhances visibility and adds a stylish flair during flight. Smart control and dynamic features. The K200 MAX is packed with intelligent functions for an intuitive and fun flight experience. One-click takeoff and one-click landing simplifies the most challenging parts of flying for beginners. Gravity sensing, control the drone's movements by tilting your smartphone. Trajectory finger painting, draw a flight path on the remote screen or connected device, and the drone will autonomously follow it. 2.4G signal stunt roll, perform impressive 360-degree aerial acrobatics with ease. Speed switch, adjust the drone speed to match your skill level or desired maneuverability. Mobile phone control, offers an alternative control method via a dedicated app. Storage type remote, hints at a compact and easy-to-store remote design. Compact, foldable and portable design. Designed for ultimate convenience, the K200 MAX is a foldable quadcopter. While specific folded and expanded feature ensures it's incredibly compact and easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. The drone is available in sleek gray or black colors. Efficient power and endurance. The K200 MAX is powered by a 3.7V 1200 mAh body battery, providing an endurance of about 15 minutes of flight time. This offers a good balance of flight duration for aerial photography sessions and recreational flying. The K200 MAX Drone offers an impressive blend of high-resolution 8K camera capabilities, a unique large-screen control experience, powerful brushless motors, extensive obstacle avoidance, and a portable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for an accessible, fun, and capable drone for aerial photography and immersive flight. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews.